Hey everybody, it's Michael from Bay Area Hiking Guides, giving you the information and knowledge to hike with confidence. We give you stuff from rare native plants in the area to awesome trails to check out in Mount Diablo and the surrounding areas as well. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the importance of having one of these first aid kits with you on every hike you go on. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and we're going to talk about the importance of these little medical packs. I got this guy from REI. It's awesome, absolutely love it. It's got medication, relief, wound cleansing, and it has everything really organized. So if you're in the panic zone mode, you know, and you're trying to find everything out, where everything is, it's right there. So I love that about these packs at REI. Now, I'm not sponsored by REI. They don't pay me money or anything like that. I just love their medical packs, just the fact that how organized they are. Now, you can get medical packs on Amazon. You can get medical packs in, you go to Big Five and get a medical pack there too with Big Five. Haven't found anywhere else that's got a really nice organized pack. So I have a dental pack as well, which allows me to kind of relieve people from dental symptoms or kind of fill in a hole if necessary. I am not a dentist, but at least it's there to help get somebody out of that pain temporary, because dental pain is hell. I know from experience. I've got quite the record. So having this pack is so important, and just especially if you run into a situation where somebody's down, like we've got Nick here being an example for me today, which is so nice. They have several different types of packs. They've got like the 3-day, I think you have a 2-day, a 3-day, 4-day, 5-day, and it continues on. So I know weight is a bit of an issue for some of you people. I know a lot of trail runners like to have absolutely nothing on them. I've run into trail runners with no water. So it's so important, even if you're a trail runner, to have one of these guys. And it's just, things do happen. Stuff comes up, you get injured, you run into somebody that's hurt that might need this medical kit that you can help them out, and it just make their life a whole lot better, and it might even be able to save their life. So I'm going to run into a various amount of things that possibly might be the case. Let's say we were in the summer months. So right now it's winter, but let's say it's summer. So in the summer, cotton might be good because it cools your body down. There's some good relief qualities. But if he was to keep his sweater on, that's going to heat his body up rapidly, and he could get into heat exhaustion. Cool your body down as best as you can during the heat time, hot months, especially in Mount Diablo. Your body's going to be generating a lot of heat. I've run into a lot of people that do have this, and they don't have enough water with them, and they're just going out, might be doing a 5 to 6 mile hike, and they've got no water. So if you get stuck out here and you're in a bad situation, and you call the state or you call the regional parks because you're a loved one from home and don't know where the heck your lover went because they didn't put the information down, because they didn't bring their cell phone, because they have no reception, all those key factors, the State Department's going to look at you, or a regional, and they're going to be like, well, where the heck are they? We don't know where they're at. We're not going to go, pull in the resources to go find these people. So you need to take that into account. Now, they might send out a group of people, but there's been numerous situations where, like, well, we don't know where they're at, so sorry. I'm not a doctor. I'm not a medic. I'm not a nurse. I don't work in the pharmaceutical field. But having this book here allows me to have access to so many different things, whether it's a sprain, whether it's a knee issue, whether you got bit by a spider. I've got spider identification within this area, so I have black widows, I have brown recluses, so I can start going through that bite and seeing how those symptoms are. What does the spider look like? What does the bite look like? Are you starting to itch? Are you getting a rash? All these things, and I can go through it to a deeper aspect of things. Now, if he's got heat exhaustion, I want to get him in a cooler area. I want to get him in that shade. I want to see if I can assess him, give him some water, of course, get him cooled down, do everything necessary from what this book tells me or what I know in general to help get him into a safe spot until help does actually arrive with the people that are the professionals. This stuff, to have this little pack with you, because stuff does arrive, things do come up. And I just love the fact that it's pretty much to every detail as best as it can do in one little book to help you along with situations, especially when you're in a bigger group. Having a few of these little medical packs can go a long way. I've run into many situations where people needed help medically and didn't have it and had to provide that stuff to them. Hey guys, thank you so much for checking out the channel. Appreciate it. Thanks for Nick for being out here and being a guy stranded lying on the ground. Anyways, all you new subscribers, appreciate you guys. Don't forget, like, subscribe. For people that are just checking out the channel, looking forward to pumping out some more videos. Thank you guys so much. Have a wonderful holiday. Whatever it is that you celebrate, I wish you all the best. Thank you guys. Take care. We got Terminator rolling around here in the... I want to close your boots, your motorcycle. And there he goes. He's too cool to get off his bike. Oh yeah. Just go, dude. Come on. There he goes. He's getting that pre-early Christmas wind blowing through his hair.
Hey guys, Michael Berry. Hey guys, thank you so much for checking out the channel. Really appreciate it. Yeah. I'll smoke a cigarette now.